Cyberpunk 2077 hard drive unboxing. Okay, so I just unboxed the Pro charging stand for Cyberpunk 2077, and then a few days later I got in the Seagate game drive for Xbox of Cyberpunk. Let's just wait for the Xbox to turn on. And just a few days ago, I got the Cyberpunk 2077 Seagate game drive for the Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition Xbox One X. As you can see, it's a similar design on the hard drive as the Xbox. So here's the back of the box, and in all different languages, it basically says you can store 50 plus games in one 2 terabyte hard drive. It's an estimate, of course, and that's pretty much all it says. It says it's a USB 3.0 and 2.0 compatible. It's USB powered, no external powered required. Let's open this. I like to open things up carefully, try not to damage it. Not like the Pro charging stand or Lamar Wilson. Ooh, that's cool. So let's just get rid of the stuff no one cares about. Basically the game drive, quick start guide, and warranty. And then here we have the actual drive. So it's really cool. It has an extra texture here. So everything's painted on. The Xbox is actually engraved. The lines here are actually engraved, so you can feel it. All of these circles are actually bumped up, so you can actually feel it. And all of these little bumps here is actually raised, so it's pretty similar to the console in quality and design. Here's the back. Where is Johnny? Spiderhead and the Cyberpunk 2077 model game drive. Now, I'm not sure if the 5 terabyte version of this drive even exists, but if it does, I am assuming it's going to be thicker. Any portable hard drive that seems to be larger than 2 terabytes, like this is a 4 terabyte one, you can tell is almost twice as thick. It's at least 50% thicker. So this one's 4 terabytes. So if the 5 terabyte one actually exists, it has to at least be this thick. And then over here you can see the USB 3. The USB 3.0 cable is Cyberpunk 2077 shade blue, just like the high-speed HDMI cable that comes with the console. And it's nicely covered in threaded material and not rubber like this one. So it makes it a bit shinier. So you can see the slight tone differences. So last but not least, let's plug this in and see what pops up on the screen. So I'm just gonna plug it in the front for simplicity, but technically the back ports would work. And that's it. Just like every other hard drive you plug into the Xbox One, once you plug it in, it basically says, do you want to use it as media for movies and videos and your captured gameplay, or if you want to format it so you could actually transfer installed games and DLC onto the drive. And looking at the hard drive plugged in, the LED light to show you it's powered on is actually Cyberpunk 2077 shade blue, just like the cable. And the last thing to look at is this black cardboard that comes in. It feels to me like it's empty. It's empty, so this is just basically a spacer, which also might mean that the 5 terabyte version is thicker, and because of that extra thickness, they wouldn't need this spacer to fill up the extra space. And that's it. So I made a nice mess here. But here we have everything: the Cyberpunk 2077 console with the Cyberpunk 2077 2 terabyte Seagate hard drive with the Cyberpunk 2077 with the Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition Xbox One X controller with the Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition Xbox Pro charging station. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more merchandise of Cyberpunk 2077, but this is all I care to buy. If I get anything else, then yeah, I would make a video, so you could subscribe if you want to keep track of that. Other than that, thanks for watching. Give me a like if you want.